So this is recording now.
In bags. What's up, everyone? I'm Amanda Sani from Paging Mrs. Sani. Every Sunday we upload new YouTube videos of lifestyle and how-tos, and today we're gonna make easy smoothie recipes, right? He's eating all my frozen blueberries. When you have fruit that's starting to go bad, I usually just take it, wash it, and dump it into a baggie, especially like the bananas, which my bananas are already pre-frozen. I'm out of bananas now. Here's my frozen blueberries, already washed. And since it's for a recipe, I usually do whatever's left, like about a cup or a half of a cup. This is probably going to be a half of a cup since Cameron's fingers are all in it. So these are easy to do recipes for the week or just make right on hand. Alright, so we'll start by making Cameron a smoothie recipe, and then I'll put it away since he's eaten all these blueberries. The first one is pregnancy. I have pregnancy protein powder, so you don't have to be pregnant to use this one. I like this because it tastes really good. It's got some DHA in it, which is great if you're pregnant, folic acid, vitamin D3, all good stuff for if you're pregnant. So Cameron really likes this smoothie too, so I'm gonna go ahead and try and make him one. Here's my pre-frozen bananas. I usually just take one banana and half of it, half it. You can see it's like already starting to unfreeze, but these were really ripe bananas that I had that I put in a bag and froze them. Okay. So, all right, this one's a chocolate mocha, so you can either do a chocolate mocha with some almond milk or whatever kind of milk you have, a frozen banana. If you like it a little more icy, then always add ice. But I like mine on a smoother side, so I really don't add ice. So we'll just take a scoop of protein powder for this one with our frozen banana. We're gonna add peanut butter for a little extra protein. The chocolate with just the banana and almond milk is actually really good. We had it this morning. Here's peanut butter too, so it's powdered peanut butter. And then all you have to do is blend it up. Add your milk, blend it up, and you're good to go. So that's one. I don't measure out my milk. Some people like to do like a cup of milk. I just do it to basically the max line on the NutriBullet cups. Blend it up and give it a good shake. I feel like this really helps get things going. All right. This will be for Cameron, if he shares, some for me. This is a good recipe for pregnant women, but it's also really good when you're not pregnant. Just to get some added protein and vitamins from the banana, the potassium, which is really good for leg cramps when you're pregnant. Except for those with Cameron. It's awful. Already a pre-packed superfood smoothie I got from Costco. Just add your favorite juice or your favorite milk, or some water, grind it up. The frozen fruit usually gives a good amount of ice, but if you like it a little more icy, like this one might be a little too frothy for people, just add some ice. How was it? Cameron's starving, so I don't have a lot of time because Cameron, when you have a toddler, you never really do. Okay, so another one is a blueberry smoothie. especially with the Nutribullet. Blueberry smoothie. This is easy breezy blueberry smoothie. That's that. Pretty good. Alright. Strawberries. It's a good way to get your antioxidants in. Like I said, you can always buy these pre-packed ones. These are really good from Costco. And they blend up really good with just some water or juice, or if you want to throw in a little bit of added ice. Otherwise, here's like a few recipes for smoothies. Kids love them, moms love them, I love them, and that's it.